df. PR will be half of df. That is the midpoint theorem. So it is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. So total PQ. So total PQ equal to QR plus PR. QR equal to 4 centimeter. PR equal to 1 centimeter. Total 5 centimeter. Again I am explaining. Draw a line that is BF. That BF equal to AC. Therefore AB, RQ and FC 4 centimeter. As RPR and DF parallel, Q and R is the midpoint, then R is the midpoint. R is the midpoint means P is the midpoint. Then consider the triangle BDF. Consider the triangle BDF. We will get you by using midpoint theorem and converse midpoint theorem. We get PR equal to 1. So total length that is 4 plus 1 5 centimeters. So Rajonna have done this question. So Rajonna, it clears that Rajonna is a very good student. Well done Rajonna. Okay, from the next time try to attend the regular classes. Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2. ABCD is a rhombus. Oh my god, that portion, upper portion is not seen. ABCD is the rhombus and BD is the diagonal. AC and BD are the diagonal. Length of AC 18 centimeter, 18 centimeter. Length of AC, that is length of AC, that is 24 centimeter. 18 centimeter AC and BD equal to 24 centimeter. BD equal to 24 centimeter. Then tell me length of BC. Length of BC. AC equal to 18 centimeter, BD equal to 24 centimeter. Then tell me the length of BC. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. AC equal to 18 centimeter. BD equal to 24 centimeter. Now tell me the length of BC. Tell me the length of length of BC or AD or DC or AB, because we know that all sides are equal. All sides are equal in triangle. Okay. So anyone can able to solve? Anyone can able to solve? Rajonna, will you be able to solve? And other students, where are the other students? Arpit, total 9 students in the call and no one is answering. It means they are in the call but not attentive. No, yes, I am waiting. They are not attentive in the class. Okay. Other students are not writing any comment in the chat box. It means they are not attentive in the class. Samrat is typing, just Rajanna and Samrat and Arpit. Amrita is not present. Nasifa is not present. Ronit Datta, root 162. No, Ronit, wrong answer. Sir, Pythagoras theorem, can it solve? Why do I tell you? Rajonna, yes. You have to use Pythagoras theorem. Let's see. Okay, look at the board. We know that diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degree. Diagonals are bisecting at each other 90. Bisect means they will be bisected. So AC equal to AC, that is O. AC equal to 18 centimeter. So OC 9 centimeter and OB 12 centimeter. Okay. Now consider the triangle BOC. Consider the triangle BOC where angle, this angle is 90 degrees. So BC is the hypotenuse. Therefore BC square equal to OB square plus OC square. BC square equal to OB square means 144. OC square means 81. BC equal to root of 144 81 225, that is 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter. So side of the rhombus is 15 centimeter. Side of the rhombus is 15 centimeter. So BC equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, got it? Any problem? Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? Anyone? Root 144 plus 81, that is root 225. 225 we know that 225 is a perfect square number, and square root of 225 is 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter is the length of the side BC of a rhombus. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Next question and probably the last question. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. That angle is 25 degree. What will be the value of angle O and angle B? Tell me. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. This angle is 25 degree. This angle is 25 degree. What will be the value of angle B and angle O? Okay. Angle B and angle O. Solve it quickly. Solve it quickly. What are the measure of angle O at that angle? In case of B, you can write ABO. ABO. Okay. Three people are typing. Hurry up, students who are typing, hurry up. Solve it quickly. ABCD is a rhombus, ABCD is a rectangle where angle A, that angle portion is 25 degree. Find the value of O and B. B means ABO. B means ABO, not ABC. ABO. ABO. That is ABO. And O means AOB. So I think it is better to solve the question. Rectangle has equal diagonals. Rectangle has equal diagonals and they are bisecting each other. We know it. The diagonals are bisecting each other as well as they are equal. So sir, the chapters that you have been given in ePortal, that chapter will come in the exam. Yes, I have told you earlier that OA and OB are equal. OA and OB are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. As angle A is 25 degree, B will be also 25 degree. B will be also 25 degree because isosceles triangle. So these two angles are equal, 25 and 25. What will be the value of O? O from 180 minus 25 plus 25, that is 130. That is 130. That angle is 130 degree. That angle is 130 degree. Okay. Somnath, I have discussed the syllabus in the ePortal 10 or 12 days ago. Okay. Just find the message in the chat box. Your doubt will be clear. So angle O or angle AOB will be 130 degree. So students, today I will solve 130.5. Ronit Datto, how can you solve that 130.4? As it is 25 degree, it will be 25 degree because isosceles triangle, we know that the isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. As it is 25, it will also be 25. 25 plus 25, 50. That angle must be 180 minus 50, that is 130. Okay. So next day we will solve again some MCQ question of quadrilateral, and I hope the concept is clear to you. Next day we will again meet here. Okay. Thank you, students.